Hey, welcome back. Today is May 1st, Saturday. Before anything else, please do be aware of any fake profiles down in the YouTube comment section below, asking you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals, especially the ones imitating my name and profile picture. I would not ask you guys to contact any random numbers or individuals. If you see a fake profile like that, it's better if you guys just report it. Now, on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into Wink coin and Holo token and see what has gone on in these markets. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks after you sign up for an account and deposit $100 US, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on these markets. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in these markets, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. See what's going on in these markets first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Right now, we do have Bitcoin dominance down about 1.2%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up about over 0.1%. This breaks down to total altcoin market cap up almost about 2.6%. Now, this would be the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, as I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I will usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Weekly time frame here for Bitcoin dominance. We have broken below a generally bullish pattern, a falling wedge pattern since last week. Key support here is still the 50% fib level area until we could get a weekly candle close here below that 50% fib level area. Until then, it's still key support. If Bitcoin dominance continues down here, that's generally speaking better for the altcoins. Bitcoin price action on this weekly time frame. We've had bearish divergence, 3 consecutive higher highs here on this weekly time frame. However, 3 consecutive lower highs on the RSI. That's classic bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, more often than not, can signal a pullback, which we did get on each of these 3 instances here. The safer signal I'm looking for here to tell me bearish divergence is done playing out will be seeing a higher high on the price action chart and a higher high on the RSI. The last high RSI reading to beat here is about 73 coming from this little top. That's the safer signal I'm looking for to tell me bearish divergence is done playing out on this time frame. Monthly time frame, we have had a monthly candle close yesterday, which brought the RSI reading down to about 90. If the price action was to make a higher high here, it does need to beat the last higher RSI reading of about 92, which is very small difference here. Now, I will not lose track of this monthly time frame RSI reading here because we are still in overbought territory. Even though according to history, there could still be some way to go. However, I'll still be mindful of any possible pullbacks since we are in overbought territory here, very overbought territory, okay? One data point of pulling back on here is 1 month's worth of pulling back. If Bitcoin pulls back at any time, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins. That bearish effect will be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to WinCoin. Monthly time frame here, 82 out of 100, about 82 out of 100. That's still in overbought territory. On this daily time frame here, I do see a falling wedge pattern that the price action did break out of. As I have mentioned last time, there was a falling wedge pattern on here. Okay. Looks like the price action has broken out of it. April 26. Measure target adjusted for this breakout point would be about 0.277 cents here. Measure targets. Now, measure targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Looks like the price action has broken out of that pattern and formed a smaller symmetrical triangle pattern here. Okay, I got two sets of swings up, two sets of swings down. Let me adjust the trend lines real quick. I just like them touching. To get a more accurate measure target here. Now, measure target out of this smaller symmetrical triangle pattern will give me about 0.16 cents measure targets. And symmetrical triangle patterns, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it is a 60% chance of it breaking to the upside. Measure target here, again, are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's see if the price action can break out of this smaller symmetrical triangle pattern here, go towards this smaller measure target, and continue towards its bigger measure target out of this falling wedge pattern. Take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance, the blue line here, the daily 21 MA. Next one up, about the 0.16 cents fib level area. Next one up, about the 0.2 cents fib level area. About the 0.2 cents fib level area. Next one up, about the 0.24 cents fib level area. Next one up, I can refer to these past trading history here, ranging from about 0.29 cents to almost 0.3 cents. That would be beyond the measured target. Key support, about the 1.3 cents fib level area. Daily 50 MA, the white line. 3-day 21 MA, the blue line. And then about the 0.09 cents fib level area. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks out of this smaller symmetrical triangle pattern and go towards its measured target. Let's see if the price action breaks out of this smaller symmetrical triangle pattern, meets that smaller measured target, and could it continue towards that bigger measured target out of that falling wedge pattern. Minding some of those key resistance levels I have just pointed out, as those could be points of rejection. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks support into the downside of this symmetrical triangle pattern. That would take into consideration of breaking this point about the 0.13 cents fib level area. Next level down, daily 50 MA, 3-day 21 MA, and then the 0.09 cents fib level area and seeing if that holds. About the 0.09 cents fib level area and seeing if that holds. Let's go over to Holo. Monthly RSI reading, over 91, almost 91 out of 100. That's very overbought. Daily time frame, the lowest of the macro time frames I'll consider. I do see a falling wedge pattern. Price action looks like it's trying to break out of that pattern right now. Measure target, which is taken by measuring the opening of the pattern and then adding it back to the expected breakout point. Alright, that's more exact there. adding it back to this breakout point, actually this actual breakout point. As the price action is above the top trend line right now, measure target would be about 3.04 cents. 3.04 cents measure target. Again, measure targets are theoretical. Approximate targets only may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance, immediately, the daily 21MA, we have not had a daily candle close above that. I would still call that key resistance, as it's still very close to the price action. Next one up, about the 1.8 cents fib level area. Next one up, about the 2.1 cents fib level area. Next one up, about the 2.4 cents fib level area. Beyond that, I could expect resistance coming from this group of past trading history here, ranging from about 2.5 cents to as high as about 3.22 cents. That's beyond the measured target there. Key support, about the 1.6 cents fib level area. Next one down, daily 50MA, very close by, the white line. Next one down, 3-day 21MA, the blue line. And then about the 1.2 cents fib level area, about the 1.2 cents fib level area. Let's take a look at the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action continues this breakout of this falling wedge pattern and go towards this measured target, mining some of those resistance levels I have just pointed out, as those could be points of rejection. Also, minding that very high RSI reading here on this monthly time frame, okay? Because if it pulls back for one data point on here on this monthly time frame, that's 1 month's worth of pulling back. Just as an example, okay? So even though it looks like we have a generally bullish pattern here, I would not ignore that very high RSI reading on the monthly time frame, as that could still pull back at any time. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks support. Key support here is, first of all, about the 1.6 cents fib level area. If that does not hold, daily 50MA, 3-day 21MA, and then about the 1.2 cents fib level area, and seeing if that holds. But that would not look good because the price action would basically reverse this breakout. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.